Now let's talk about corrections. Now on a smaller dog, how hard? I guess the correction should match the crime. How do you correct and train a small dog?
That's a great question. So, of course, you always want to start minimum amount of correction in order to make the communication clear. So we want to start short, right? Never skip that teaching phase. But okay, once we teach that teaching phase, now we go in a correction phase. So what does that mean for that dog? So you can start, right, leash pressure, or you can start verbally. I like to start with verbal. Okay, verbal correction. A lot of people say no, but I end up switching it from no to just real sharp, quick. Reason for that: nose falling on their deaf ears. They don't care. So, so I'll switch it to. Some do very well. We have a Frenchie right now does very well with verbal, and so this guy, he does well with verbal as well. But then sometimes verbal doesn't work for him when he gets in that anxiety, that anxious headspace. So slip collar is the next form. Okay. And then whatever you're communicating from a lead. And then after that, obviously, is off leash, of course. And an e-collar is always the best for that because it's like an invisible leash. But again, has to be introduced properly, has to be the right tool. You can't just slap on an e-collar. That dog's got to wear it for a good month, right?
There we go. Well, we might do a process of utilizing the e-collar over the course of time and how to introduce the people. Again, you want to make sure you're correcting the behavior before you put the e-collar on and start buzzing the dog. Poor dog. Poor dog. Guys, take care of your dog.